Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Le-Nutra ingredients from China. Today I want to introduce you our vitamin K2 MK7 powder. Natural vitamin K2 MK7 is a type of vitamin K2 that is derived from a natural fermentation process of natto, and it is the most biologically active and bioavailable form of vitamin K2. The molecule of vitamin K2 MK7 contains 7 isoprene units, which make it different from other forms of vitamin K. The structure of vitamin K2 MK7 allows it to be easily absorbed and used by the body. As a fat-soluble vitamin, vitamin K2 MK7 plays a vital role in the human body, contributing to the maintenance of healthy bones and cardiovascular health. It helps prevent heart diseases, improve bone health, and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Improve dental health. It is considered to be far superior to vitamin K2 MK4 in terms of biological active and bioavailability and efficiency. Our natural vitamin K2 MK7, a fat-soluble vitamin with 7 isoprene units in its side chain, is an essential material that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy bones and cardiovascular health. As a leading Chinese manufacturer and exporter of dietary supplement ingredients, we pride ourselves on producing high-quality products that meet the needs of our customers. We employ strict quality control measures to ensure the purity and efficiency of our vitamin K2 MK7 powder. Our competitive prices and reliable shipping services make us the preferred choice of business worldwide. We believe in building long-lasting relationships with our clients and providing exceptional after-sales services. Our company philosophy is centered around integrity, quality, and customer satisfaction. The application of our natural vitamin K2 MK7 powder in the business field includes the food, beverage, cosmetics, and the pharmaceutical industries, where it is used as an emulsifier, natural preservatives, and an essential component in anti-aging skincare products and dietary supplements. Please feel free to make contact if you are interested.